G'day ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode. For today's dish, I'm going to be making a French dessert called a apple tarte tatin using 4 simple ingredients that you've probably already got in your house. To make today's dish at home, check the video description below for the full method breakdown and also some control points and tips there as well. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a like and also subscribe while you're there. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.